At this point, it's another hour. Are you on your way to the office now, or what?
Yeah, I'm just heading on to Winford Drive.
Oh, okay. Like, yeah, I don't know. Is this one scheduled at 9 a.m., Chris?
Yeah. So okay, so somebody just brake checked me and I rear-ended them.
Shut up.
Yeah, I'm gonna get off the road here.
Okay, let me talk to the guys and tell me if you...
Okay, I'm not getting to Jenna anytime soon, by the way.
Yeah, I'm gonna deal with that. Okay, bye.
Starving and the likely chaos that ensues. And the point is an entirely valid one. Those of us who object to it generally are doing so in a short-term sense of improving technology, letting us get more food and production from less land or material or energy. Whether or not our population growth will continue to the point that we even need to house 1 trillion people on Earth, or if there is some maximum limit to how many people we can support, our objective today is to show that we could house this many on Earth and present what sort of technologies might be needed.
Alright, so you brake checked me there.
I did.
Yeah, you did. There was the guy who kept going and you stopped for no reason.
At this point, it's another hour. Are you on your way to the office now, or what?
Yeah, I'm just heading on to Winford Drive.
Oh, okay. Like, yeah, I don't know. Is this one scheduled at 9 a.m., Chris?
Yeah.